How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off two-factor authentication on your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. Then tap on your three lines that is on the top right corner. And after you do that, you'll be now on your settings and privacy. Now head over to your account center. You can also see it as Meta's account center. So tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see account settings if you scroll down a bit. And in that section, you'll find security and passwords. Tap on it. And after you do that, you'll find two-factor authentication under login and recovery. Head over to two-factor authentication. Choose your account. And after you do that, you will get your two-factor authentication. You will see how you have enabled it. It can either be SMS or WhatsApp or authentication app like it's in mine. So just head over to whichever is yours. And after you do that, you will see a small toggle button right besides the method that you apply. Simply toggle this button off. After you do that, tap on turn off button to turn off your two-factor authentication. And doing this will turn off your two-factor authentication. It might take some time, but there we go. And that's how you turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and